I don't think there is such thing as evil, but I think there is such thing as ignorance. And the root of evil, I think, is ignorance. Because the more you understand, the broader your vision, the broader your understanding of the world around you, the less room there is for evil. I think there are such things as stupidity or ignorance of what is right and what is wrong. I suppose you could call it lack of empathy. If you could feel for others as you would feel for yourself, then there is very little room for evil, because mostly evil is what you do to others. But this is all tied up with feelings of hate and fear and ignorance. What we would consider evil deeds are a result of these kinds of emotions.